Imagination is the gateway to endless possibilities, where the mind can soar beyond the confines of reality. Through imagination, we can envision worlds yet to be discovered and ideas yet to be realized. Knowledge is the foundation upon which imagination thrives, providing the fuel for creativity and innovation. With knowledge, we can build upon the wisdom of the past and shape a brighter future. Imagination sparks curiosity, igniting the desire to explore and discover the unknown. Knowledge empowers us to seek answers, unravel mysteries, and unlock the secrets of the universe. Imagination and knowledge are intertwined, fueling each other's growth and propelling humanity forward. Together, they form the pillars of progress, shaping our understanding and shaping our world. Imagination and knowledge are not separate entities, but rather two sides of the same coin. They dance in harmony, inspiring us to dream big and empowering us to turn those dreams into reality. Imagination and knowledge are the driving forces behind innovation, progress, and the pursuit of a better tomorrow. Embrace the power of imagination, embrace the power of knowledge, and unlock the boundless potential within.